If you're having issues with your PS5 DualSense controller and you want to reset or unpair it from your PS5 console or any other devices, then let me show you the proper way to hard reset your PS5 DualSense controller. Before resetting your DualSense controller, make sure that your PS5 console is turned off. Now that our console is turned off, flip your PS5 controller to its back and you will see a small circular hole right beside the Sony logo. And insert a SIM ejector tool, a paper clip or something similar into the hole. You'll feel a button being pressed and you need to hold it for about 5 seconds. And this will hard reset your DualSense controller. But doing this will not unpair it from your console or any other device, so you can just press the PS button and your console will turn on as normal. So if you want to unpair it, you can do it manually by going to Settings, then go down to Accessories, go right on General, select Bluetooth Accessories, and here you can see our DualSense wireless controller. Press X and then select Delete. As it states, the device will be forgotten and you'll need a USB cable to pair it back. So we'll press OK, and now you can see that our controller is unregistered. Similarly, you can remove it from other devices by going to the Bluetooth settings. And that's how you can reset your DualSense controller. If you found this useful, stay tuned for more and I'll see you again.